welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of Jamie Greenberg's swag bag. If you guys don't know what Jamie Greenberg's swag bag is, then I'm going to leave a link up above so you guys can check out my first ever video going a little bit more in depth. But basically, Jamie Greenberg swag bag is a monthly subscription service. It is through Jamie Greenberg. She is actually an LA based makeup artist and she is amazing, and she works with a lot of celebrities and does all of their makeup. So she came out with her own swag bag. So swag bag is a monthly subscription service, and it is a little bit on the pricier side compared to some of my other subscription boxes. It is $63 a month, but the value is amazing. I'm gonna link some other videos that I did do above. I also did do a little Instagram IGTV of my first swag bag, and it was amazing. So all the products are really good. You have skincare, you have makeup, you have like hygiene. It is just a mixture of everything, and these are products that I normally wouldn't buy myself, and these are products that I actually end up loving. So I am so excited. So this is what it looks like. So it does come from FedEx, so it does come in an actual FedEx box, but then it comes in a bag, hence the name swag bag. So this is what it looks like, and then these are the goodies inside. So before we jump into the actual unboxing of the video, I just want to ask you guys to please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you get notified of all of my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. And also, please consider subscribing, and let's get me to 300 subscribers, because at 300 subscribers, I'm going to have a little mini giveaway. I think I'm at 289, I believe, so I'm really not that far off. So darn excited. So let me get to unboxing. It is in this, and then you also do have everything wrapped up in bubble wrap, so I feel like it's even more safe. So there is a little card, as you guys can see, and basically it just says, I'll read it to you guys. It says, "Boo, it's time for October swag bag. Fall is in full swing, and these are some of my fave products this season. These goodies will be perfect for your daily routine and for Halloween fun. Whether you're glamming up for a party, dressing up with the fam, I hope these products become essential. They are for me. Make sure you tell me what you think. Use the hashtags," and then it just gives some hashtags, and then just how she has a live show on her Instagram. One thing that I actually didn't mention, I think I mentioned this last time, swag bag is a monthly subscription service, but they do sell out. They only have a limited number of spots. So this month is actually all sold out. I know, it's crazy. So if you guys are interested, then go check out her website. I'm going to leave it down below, and then you guys can join the wait list just to wait to see if you get on next month's swag bag. Okay, so first thing that I picked up, this is the Brighten, Balance, and Hydrate. This is a sheet mask. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so step 1, it has a gentle foaming cleanser. Step 2, it has a Hydra Essence, and then step 3 is the brightening. That is so cool. So you want to wash your face with step 1, then you want to apply step 2, and then step 3 you just leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. That's awesome. I've never seen like a 3-step face brightening mask, so I'm really excited to test this out. I love face masks. If you guys want an in-depth review on any of these products, please leave me a comment down below, and then just check out my blog. I will make sure to make an in-depth review on my blog about any of these products that you guys are interested in. The next thing that I'm taking out, this is the Deep Cleansing Oil. This is by DHC. Okay, so this is a deep cleansing oil. The makeup this is an ultimate makeup remover. A lot of people have been using like oils and balms and stuff to take out your makeup, and I think that's awesome. I have been using one from I Do Skincare. I love it. I've used the Dermalogica one. I love it. I've used another one that was a little more that one irritated my eyes a little bit more, but I have been loving them so much. So I'm excited to test this out. This is the ultimate makeup remover. This olive based formula completely dissolves away dirt, excessive oil, makeup, and even waterproof mascara, leaving your skin soft, fresh, and never greasy. So you're supposed to apply 2 to 3 pumps into dry hands, then gently massage it onto dry face for about 30 to 40 seconds, then just wash it off after. And I'm so excited to test this out. I've actually never used one that is olive oil based, so I'm really excited to see how this is going to work for my skin, and if it works with my oily skin, if it's going to break me out or anything like that. So I'm really excited to see how this works. The next thing that I have, this I'm super excited for. I love Thrive Cosmetics. I have used Thrive Cosmetics mascara and I love it. It is so good. It makes my lashes so darn long. And I have also used their Brilliant Eye Brightener. I love that. I literally use that every single day. I'm not wearing it today. I actually did film a different look. I did use Manny MUA's collection for this, but I've used that and I love it so much. It really brightens up your eyes, and I even use it under my brow, on my brow bone. Thrive Cosmetics Buildable Blur CC Cream, and this has a blur effect technology and also has SPF of 35 in it, and I think that is so cool. So this is also help to prevent sunburn. And let me see, so I'm supposed to apply literally 15 minutes before sun exposure. So apply a thin layer with fingertips all over the face, use a wet sponge and tap into skin, and then just blend it out. So if you want a sheer coverage, just apply 1 pump. If you want a full coverage, then apply 2 to 3 pumps. So this is a multitasking color correcting cream, blurs and diffuses skin imperfections with buildable sheer to full coverage broad spectrum SPF 30. So powered by blur effect technology, color adjusting, micropigmented plus vitamin C, this skin loving formula helps conceal fine lines, pores, and dark spots. That is so cool. So this is the shade medium beige. This is medium with neutral undertone, so it should be my color. So that is what the packaging looks like. This reminds me of the CC cream from It, just like that same like pump type of packaging, and that is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna pump. Ooh, okay, so I feel like this should be a pretty good match for me. So that is what the color looks like, and I'm just gonna blend. Yeah, I feel like this will be a pretty good match for me. You guys could see it does pretty much match, a little bit darker than my hands, but hands are always lighter. But if I do just blend it in more so with my wrist, it pretty much matches me. So after applied on pretty nice, and it definitely dried down, it's not like shiny or anything, so it blended out really pretty, and that is the finished coverage. So again, it blended out really nice. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky, so I'm really excited to test that out. The next thing that I got, this is again from DHC. This is the same brand as the cleansing oil, and this is a lip cream. So this is a lip balm. This is just supposed to moisturize your lips. You know, it's fall, your lips get chapped, it's windy, so it's always good to have a nice little balm or lip cream on you. So that is what that looks like. There is no scent. The next thing that I have, this is 3 Milk Ageless Moisturizer, and this has firming peptoids. This is an intensely hydrating daily moisturizer which combines the richness of botanical milks with a clinical peptide to erase the appearance of lines. 3 milks, including coconut and its emollient oil, provide round-the-clock hydration and soothing comfort. It's instantly firming, and consumer reviews show that within weeks, our advanced peptide reduce the appearance of a deep wrinkled surface area by up to 45%. So this is rich and creamy, shine-free finish for normal to dry skin. This is truly a wonder milk that makes both a daily and long time difference. So use morning and evening on cleansed skin. Place 2 small dots around your face, eye area, and neck, and then smooth it until it's fully absorbed. So I have really oily skin. I don't think this would be a perfect match for me, but I'm definitely willing to try it out. I usually do use my Dermalogica moisturizer during the day, so I could definitely try this out at nighttime. But if it is just not for me, I can always gift this to my mom, who has more of the normal type of skin. I'm definitely really oily, so I don't think this would be the best match for me because it is for more dry to normal skin. And then I feel like even that was like one product that I didn't like out of how many did I do so far? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 4. So I'm really not that worried. I feel like anything that is more geared towards, ooh, and it smells really good. I really like the smell of it. It smells like a little minty. It smells really good though. I do like that smell. But yeah, I feel like if there's just one thing out of the whole thing that I don't like, I really don't mind. I feel like that normally happens with BoxyCharm or Ipsy or any other subscription service that I have used, so I don't mind that. The next thing that I do have, I'm so darn excited for it. This is the Roll Amanda George Healthy Hair Mask. This is just a hair mask, so as you guys know, I cut my hair short, so I'm all about keeping my hair healthy and hydrated. Ooh, that smells really good. That smells like a little florally, but it smells very good. So this is just a hair mask. I cut and dyed my hair, like I'm full blonde now. It's short, so my hair is definitely healthier than what it was long, but I'm always looking for a nice moisturizer. So I'm very excited to test this one out. This is created with organically formed ingredients and essential oils, antioxidant-rich almond oil, coconut oil, and powerful rosehip oil are carefully combined and curated moisturizers. This mask will leave your hair with a generous luster, nourished, and a healthy shine. This custom blend scent gently awakens the sense of your daily roll treatment. So really excited to test this out. So all you have to do is just massage it into your wet hair, leave on for at least 60 seconds, or indulge for more intense results. I love how it's just like 60 seconds. Some hair masks, like you have to leave it on for like 20 minutes, and like you have to get out the shower, you have to first you have to wash your hair and then apply the mask, leave it on for 20 minutes, like, so get out the shower. And I don't do that all the time. Like, sometimes I just don't have the time. I just want to wash my hair and let it air dry and move on to the next thing. So sometimes I don't have the 20 minutes to do it, and I know that I should be moisturizing my hair a lot more, but just because of the extra time, I don't want to. So I'm really excited to test this out. Like a minute, that's perfect. The next thing that I have, this is the Coasis. This is a color and light pressed blush and highlighter. So that is the packaging on that. Very sleek, very simple. Open that up, and that is what this looks like. Packaging very, very sleek. I definitely do like that. So for the colors, ooh, they look very pretty. I don't want to blind you guys, but they look very pretty. I love this peach color. I've been loving peach blushes, and that highlighter looks very pretty. So let me go ahead and swatch the highlighter. That is what that highlighter looks like. Let me swatch it for you guys. Ooh, that looks pretty though. That looks very, very pretty. I really do like that highlighter color. It looks a little chalky, I think, but blended out, I feel like it would look really pretty. It does look like a tiny bit chalky, but and not as intense as some of my highlighters that I go for, like this. But you can, let's see if we could like build it up and everything. So I'm excited to test this out. And then that blush looks gorgeous. I love this type of blush. This is like my favorite color blush. I love that peach. That was very pigmented. That was so darn pigmented. So I really do like that. Gorgeous. And then the last thing that I did get, this is the Lemonhead Illuminating Glitter Concentrate. So one thing that's really, really cool about this, so this is Jamie's custom Ruth Berry Space Jam. So that's really cool. So she like customized that. So this is Ruth Berry. But like, what type of glitter is it? So it just says Illuminating Glitter Concentrate, Ultra Glitter Balm, Cosmetic UV Glitter Balm. Apply with fingers or a flat brush. Remove with water, soft friction, or brush out of hair. Oh, is this a hair one? Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of children. Is this for hair? Ooh, that smells really good. It smells like candy, but if you guys could see, that is what the glitter looks like. So it looks really pretty, and it's like wet. It's like, I don't know. Like you guys can like see. It's like wet. Let me Google this. I don't know what that's for. I like it. I like the scent of it. It smells really good. It smells like candy. Also, one thing is that the Thrive Cosmetics BB cream, you definitely do smell that sunscreen. You could use this as like a highlight for your face, like as glitter for your face. But you can also use it as glitter for your eyes. The only thing it says avoid contact with eyes. So I feel like that's kind of just at your own discretion. If you do feel like using it on your eyes, then definitely do it. But just be wary because it definitely says don't use it on your eyes. It's just kind of like some of those eyeshadows that have the same warning basically. Meaning that you don't want to get it inside your eyes. So you have to be super careful about that. Yeah, so these are basically just like glitter for your face. That's actually really cool. The only thing that kind of confused me was that it said don't use it near your eyes, but then I see people using it on their eyes. So just be careful, like I said before. But I'm really excited to try this out, and I feel like That smells really good. So I really do like the scent of this. But that is everything that I got in this month's swag bag. I'm really excited to test everything out. If you guys want a detailed review on anything, then please just let me know in the comments down below and I will make that review happen for you guys on my blog. So go give my blog a follow if you haven't already. But I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, please, if you have made it this far, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so you'll be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you get notified of all my future uploads. But that is it. Let's get me to 300 subscribers so I could do that little mini giveaway. So darn excited. But that's it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite product is. Let me know if you've heard of this box. What other boxes do you guys like? I love getting boxes every single month. It's like my addiction. But that is it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!